Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the tier0.dll not found error in Valve or Steam games on Windows. The first thing you should do is verify the game files through Steam. Sometimes the file gets deleted, corrupted, or damaged after an update or crash. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is showing the error, right-click it, and select Properties. After that, open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all game files and automatically download anything that is missing or broken. Wait for the process to finish and then launch the game again. If the error still appears, the next step is to check the game folder manually. Open the folder where your game is installed. Usually you can find it inside Steam, then Steam Apps, Common, and your game folder. Look for the bin folder because that is where the tier0.dll file is normally located. Make sure the file is actually there. If the folder is missing files or looks damaged, verifying the game files again can help restore it. Another possible reason is that Windows is blocking access to the DLL file. To fix this, right-click the file and choose Properties. Open the Security tab and click Edit. Select your Windows user account and enable full control permissions. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. After completing these steps, restart your computer and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.